how to edit memory video image. You can see the memory, how to edit memory video image for your iPhone 17 here. Open any memory. For example, you want to change those images, then you have to press on this icon, then press on this icon again. Now press on add photo. Now you can see those are suggested. You have to go your all and find the area where iPhone pick those images. So scroll all the way down and find the area. Here it is. iPhone pick those phone from this area. For example, you want to change this image and want to add this image or this image or or other image as well. And once done, press on this icon and press on, if you want to change the name, you can also edit. Now you can see my image will be changed. So that's it. Thank you. Please don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.